This problem is about finding the volume of gas using corresponding state principle. Let us read the problem statement. Methane has compressibility factor value of 0.9 at reduced pressure of 1 and reduced temperature of 1.5. For propane, the critical temperature and pressure are 369.8 Kelvin and 42.48 bar respectively. Take R equal to 8.314 kilojoule per kmol Kelvin. Applying the principle of corresponding states, the molar volume of propane in meter cube per kmol at the same reduced pressure and temperature is 0.355, 0.791, 0.977 or 0.526. This was asked in GATE Engineering Sciences 2018. Let us write the available information. For methane, Z equal to 0.9 at TR equal to 1.5. That is, reduced temperature is 1.5 and reduced pressure is 1. This is data for methane. Similarly, there is also data for propane. For propane, we are given with critical temperature, which is Tc, which is equal to 369.8 Kelvin, and Pc is given as 42.48 bar. And also we are given with R equal to 8.314 kilojoule per kmol Kelvin. Okay, these are all the available data. So what is asked? We are asked to find the molar volume of propane. At the same reduced pressure and temperature as that of methane. So what is the formula we have for Z? Z equal to PV by RT. And what is the principle of corresponding state? Z is simply a function of TR and PR. At the same reduced pressure and reduced temperature, any gas will have the same value of Z. So using this, we are going to find the volume of propane from the data of methane. Otherwise, at the same reduced temperature and pressure, Z is constant. Z is, so otherwise we can write this V, let us take this as 1, and from this we have already for the same TR and PR, we have Z is simply equal to 0.9, or Z is a function of TR is 1.5 and PR is 1. So at that condition we have 0.9. Okay. So now, so it is from 1 we have V equal to ZRT by P. So what is T and P in connection with TR? So what is TR? TR is equal to T by TC. Likewise, PR is equal to P by PC. So what is PC and TC? PC critical pressure and TC is critical temperature. So we are given with the temperature of propane, not temperature of propane, it is we are given with the critical temperature of propane and critical pressure of propane. So otherwise from which we can write this T equal to simply TR TC, likewise P equal to PR PC. So if we take this as equation 2 and using the relation for TR and PR in equation 2, we will be getting V equal to Z R T is simply equal to TRTC, and likewise P is PRPC. So what are all available to us now? We have TR, PR, TC, PC, everything is available here. So we can simply substitute this. So what is Z is already known to us as 0.9 and R is 8.314 in kilojoule per kmol Kelvin unit. And what is TR? TR is 1.5. And what is TC? TC is 369.8. 369.8 Kelvin divided by PR is given as 1 and PC is already given as data. PC is 42.48 bar 48, which is in bar unit, but unit of R is in kilonewton per meter square unit. So this 42.48 bar also to be converted in terms of kilonewton per meter square, so which is supposed to be multiplied with 100, because we know this bar and kilojoule are having this connection. Otherwise this 1.01325 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square, which is also equal to 101.325 kilonewton per meter square, which is equal to 1.01325 bar. So otherwise bar and kilonewton are having this 100 relation. So from which we are having this 42.48 into 100 is because of converting bar to kilonewton per meter square, because this R is available in terms of kilojoule per kmol Kelvin. Kilojoule is kilo Newton per meter square into meter. So now let us take this aside. So these are all just to get the relation for Newton per meter square and bar. So from this relation, this relation, we are now getting this V as V equal to simply coming as 0.977, which is having the units of meter cube per kmol. So what is the answer matching this? C is the correct answer. So let us go through this again. So we are given with the data of TR, PR of methane and Z of methane, and we are asked to find the value of V of propane based on the data of TC and PC. And Z is related to pressure, volume and temperature by this relation, definition of compressibility factor, which is PV by RT. And from the corresponding state principle, we know Z is a function of TR and PR. Otherwise, for a given TR, PR, Z is a constant, irrespective of the nature of the gas. Using that principle, we are finding we are simply equating the Z of methane to that of propane. So otherwise Z is simply 0.9 for the value of for the TR of 1.5 and PR of 1. From that we have is Z available. We are asked to find the value of V. V is simply equal to Z into RT by P. So T is simply equal to TRTC, likewise P is PRPC. So now all the data are available, and only thing is this pressure is in bar units. This is to be converted in terms of kilonewton per meter square unit, then only this pressure units and R units will be tallying. So upon substitution, we are getting this V as 0.977 meter cube per kmol. And hence the answer is C. Answer option is C. Thank you. Hope you had some learning from this problem.